Oya Ore, good morning and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
Today we want to talk about conversation skills in Luo. And this is a 5-minute conversation with someone you meet at the shop. So you meet me at the shop and then now we want to talk. I'll start with greeting you. So I'll greet you, Oya Ore Nikki.
Oya Ore.
Oya Ore Ahinya.
Oya Ore Ahinya.
So, first thing you do, Oya Ore is good morning. Oya Ore. And your response would be, Oya Ore Ahinya. Oya Ore Ahinya. Now, we are still in the process of getting our editing computer. When we get the editing computer, we shall be putting in the words, the Luo words. We'll put them here so that when we are talking, you can hear this. But for now, we can't wait until that day. So for now, let's just talk about what we have. Now we have we can talk about the conversation. So in Luo, the best thing to do is to ask how the family is. And how to do this, you say, Jodala iweyo nade. Say that.
Jodala iweyo nade.
That means your family, how are they? Jodala iweyo nade.
Jodala iweyo nade.
And if Jodala iweyo maber, you say?
Jodala iweyo.
Aweyo maber.
Jodala aweyo maber.
Yes, Jodala aweyo maber. And one other thing in Luo is that we talk more about the weather. And the weather, the way we talk about it is we talk about whether it's raining, whether it's shining, it's whatever weather it is. So you would ask, Bekot chue. Bekot chue.
Bekot chue.
Yes, Bekot chue. Is it raining? And I would say, if it's not raining, I would say, Oyo, kot ok chue.
Oyo, kot ok chue.
But if it's raining, I would say, kot chue.
Kot chue.
So about the weather, you'd ask Bekot chue, or you'd have Be chieng rien. Be chieng rien means is it shining? And the other thing is about whether you've planted. Be use pito. Be use pito.
Be use pito.
Be use pito.
Be use pito.
Oyo podi.
Oyo podi.
Or wase pito. Okay. And then the next thing you talk about is you've talked about the weather, you've talked about the family, you've talked about whether they planted or not. Now you'd ask them, Ango ma okeli ka.
Ango ma okeli ka.
So Ango ma okeli ka, what brings you here? Ango ma okeli ka. Why say that?
Ango ma okeli ka.
And one of the answers would be Abiro nyeo. So if you've come to buy what? Sugar? Abiro nyeo sukari.
Abiro nyeo sukari.
So whatever you've come to buy, and it's still acceptable. You can, if you don't know the name in Luo, you can just say the name in English. Most Luos will understand. So abiro nyeo sugar, abiro nyeo what? Bread. Abiro nyeo. Before you get to the level where you can talk about what you've really come to buy in Luo, you can just say it in either a mixture of Luo, English, or Swahili. Most Luos will understand all these three languages. So, abiro nyeo mkati, abiro nyeo makate, abiro nyeo bread. Same thing. Abiro nyeo sugar, abiro nyeo skari, abiro nyeo sukari. Same thing. Okay? So, ango mokeli ka?
Abiro nyeo skari.
Abiro nyeo skari, yes. And the last part is how you bid each other. So, when you're bidding each other, first you must, it is polite to say hi to your family. Okay? Mos jogi.
Mos jogi.
So that means say hi to your people. Mos jogi.
Mos jogi.
Yes. Mos jogi means say hi to your people. And it's polite to say hi to your people. And then you would also say Nyasaye otelni.
Nyasaye otelni.
And Nyasaye otelni would be what?
May God bless you.
Yes, God should bless. May God bless you. It's also polite to say, may God bless you. Greetings to your family. And then that's when you bid and say, Oriti. Okay?
Oriti.
So can we enact from the beginning to the end? I'm not going to talk any Luo, any English now. Oyaore.
Oyaore. Oyaore ahinya.
Ango ma jogi ni nade?
Joga awelo maber.
Joga ni maber.
Joga ni maber.
Koth chwe.
Oyo, koth ok chwe.
Oyo, koth ok chwe. Chieng' rieny.
Oyo, chieng' ok rieny.
Oyo, chieng' ok rieny. Ang'o mokeli ka?
Adwaro nyiewo sukari.
Abiro nyiewo sukari. Ang'o mokeli ka? Something else.
Abiro nyiewo mkate.
Abiro nyiewo mkate. Mos jogi. Now, if I say mos jogi, greetings to your friend, your family, you also tell me mos jogi. So you revenge. Mos jogi.
Mos jogi.
Inbe mos jogi.
Inbe mos jogi.
Inbe mos jogi.
Inbe mos jogi.
Oriti.
Oriti.
Good. So that's the way you hold a conversation with a Luo person. And as I mentioned before, we shall do like subtitles so that you just help. I hope Nikki will do subtitles for this video surely. She's been disappointing me of late. But I hope she'll do this one so that you just turn on the subtitles and see what you're talking about. Okay? Good. And that's it for today.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post when we post. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, YouTube, and wherever we are.
Nini.
So for now, Oriti.
Oriti.
Goodbye.
Mos jogi.
Yeah, mos
jogi. Oriti. Bye.